Hi fellow Lee Ever fans, Steve here. I'm here at one of our houses. We got a renter moving in this afternoon, so I got to do some quick repairs. We found some rotten wood that we have to do at the last minute, so I'll give you the tour. And here we go. This is the window. As you can see, we have rotten wood here on the sill and on the sides. So we started tearing everything apart, and since we finished everything on the inside, I thought it would be easier to access everything from the outside, and it turns out that's turning out to be the case. So as you can see here, I took the siding down, the windows out, and I can see all the rotten wood. This sill part here goes all the way to right about here, so I'm gonna have to cut it out from here all the way to here and replace it with either a 1x4 or a 2x4. I'll put it in there to see which works better. And then of course you can see this here is extremely rotten, so I got to cut that out, reinforce it, and then this top piece here, this has to come out as well, and I got to put a fresh piece in there as well. I might even have to cut it out up to about here on the sides because we got some rotten wood here in the corners. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I will keep you posted on it, give you periodic updates as we go. Hey fellow Lee Evers, just to give you an update, I've got the framing all done, checked everything out, new window fits in place, everything's looking good. So now we can start putting everything back together. Alright, I'll let you know when we make progress. Hey, it's me again. Just wanted to give you guys a look. Here's what it looks like. When it's all said and done, everything's put back. All the framing is nice and fresh. Fresh sealing around the windows, so we should not have any more leaks. So a lot of work and a little bit of heat exhaustion later. It's done. Tenant's moving in now. Until next time.